Picture this, you sitting in your room, scrolling through Instagram, watching everyone else posted their highlight reel. Your friends are dancing, making funny videos, living their best lives, and here you are, stuck in the same routine, feeling like you fallen behind. I get it, I've been there too. But let me tell you a secret that changed my life. The people who wins their life don't follow the crowd. They create their own path. And today I'm gonna show you how. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you will know what it exactly takes to stand out, master yourself, and start building the life you always been wanted.
Kick me. What was that? An exhibition? We need emotional content. Try again.
Step number 1. Ignore what everyone in your age is doing. Cut to a montage. People creating their TikToks, partying and scrolling on their phones. Let me ask you something. How many of your friends been now making TikTok videos or endlessly scrolling social media? Probably all of them, right? But here's the harsh truth. None of that will matter in the 5 years. I remember when I spent hours on trying to impress people on social media. I thought it was horrible fun until I realized this was not moving forward in my life. One day I asked myself, am I building my future or wasting my presence? That question hit me hard. Stop worrying about keeping up everyone else. Start focusing on yourself. The world does not need another viral video. It needs people who are building something meaningful. Don't get distracted by the noise. Step number 2. Start mastering a valuable skill. Most people leave their school or college with zero skill that actually make them money. They think, I don't have time. But let me tell you something. There's a concept called 100-hour rule. Did you spend just 100 hours on learning a new skill? You already be better than 90% people. That's just 20 minutes a day. A friend of mine started learning video editing by watching tutorials on YouTube. A year later, he was freelancing a brand and making more money than he ever thought. You could do the same. Resources are out there. You just have to start. So ask yourself, what skill can you start learning today? And don't wait. 20 minutes is all it takes to begin transform your life. Step number 3. Stop worrying about what others think. Let's be honest. How many times have you stopped yourself to trying something new because you are afraid what other might say? We all been there, but here is the truth. What other people think of you, it does not matter. It never has. Here is a quick exercise. The next time someone gives you their opinion, ask yourself these 3 questions. 1. What is their intention? Are they helping or criticizing? 2. How important is this person in your life? 3. Do they have experience what they are talking about? I remember when I told someone I wanted to start my own business. They laughed and said, you are dreaming too big. But guess what? They never started a business in their life. Their opinion did not matter. And neither does anyone else if it does not rely with your goals. Step number 4. Present yourself with confidence.
You're just a big, fat panda.
I'm not a big fat panda. I'm the big fat panda.
Here's a story for you. Jack and John was 2 friends. Jack was super intelligent and John was not smart. But John has confidence. When they both got job in the same company, Jack started higher because of his skills. But over time, John's confidence helped him to climb ladder faster. Why? Because confidence is what gives you noticed, trusted and remembered. Practical tips for confidence. 1. Don't be afraid to speak up. Practice in small group.
What do you say we lace him up and settle this in the ring?
Spoken like a lawyer with a guilty man for a client.
Spoken like someone who's as afraid of me in the gym as he should be in the courtroom.
You finished?
Nope. But you are.
And grow from there. 2. Dress in the way that make you feel good. Confidence often starts with how you present yourself. 3. Remember, confidence is not about being perfect. It's about believing you will be okay, even if others don't like you. Step number 5. Protect your mind. Your mind is like a garden. What you plant and what you grows. If you're constantly feeding negativity, self-doubt or toxic influences, you will only grow weeds. I used to follow influences who only made made me feel bad about myself. One day I decided to unfollow all of them who did not value to my life. Instead, I started listening to inspiring podcasts, but within 1 week my mindset shifted. I felt more motivated and in control. Unfollow the negativity. Choose your friend wisely because you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, not drag you down. Here's the bonus tip: prioritize your health. Imagine you have everything: money, a dream house, and success, but you're not healthy. Is that really success?
I can't breathe. I have migraines, numbness, weight loss. I live with it every day. The illness that I'm suffering from is an anxiety disorder, and it deserves to be treated like any other illness. But it's not.
No, your health is your foundation. Exercise regularly, even if it's just 10 minutes a day. Eat clean, your body needs pure, not junk. Prioritize sleep, it's your secret weapon. When you take care of yourself, everything becomes easy and you can take on the world. These 5 habits changed my life and I know they can change yours too. So here's my challenge to you. Start with just one. Commit to it and watch how your life transforms. And remember, success is not about luck. It's about a habit you build. So let's start building greatness together. And remember, your future is begins now. I'll meet you in the next video. Okay, bye.